Welcome to our video guide on effectively managing product groups within your website's admin area. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to streamline your product grouping tasks for better organization and control. Begin by logging into your website's admin area. Once logged in, head over to the Products Catalog and Product Groups tabs. Under this tab, you can filter groups by name, add a new product group, edit an existing product group, delete a product group, assign products to a product group while adding or editing a product group. You can easily add or update the product group's name. Click on the Assign Products button to assign products from your catalog to the product group. Simply click the Add button next to the desired product, and it will appear in the Assign Products section. If you need to remove products, use the trash bin icon for quick deletion. With these straightforward steps, you'll have better control over your product groups and their associated products. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.